In life, we often believe that being fast means being better. We rush, we compete, we compare ourselves to others, and sometimes we feel left behind. But what if being slow is not a weakness? What if it is actually your greatest strength? This is the story of a young man who was always the slowest, but in the end, he became the best. In a small village, there was a workshop where young men gathered every day to learn a skill. They worked with their hands, building, fixing, creating. Among them was a young man named Noah. But Noah had one problem. He was slow. While others finished their work quickly, Noah was always the last. When others understood things fast, Noah needed more time. When others completed their tasks, Noah was still trying, still learning, still struggling. And slowly, people began to notice. At first, they ignored him. Then, they laughed. "Why are you so slow?" they would say. "Everyone else is ahead of you. You will never make it like this." Their words were sharp, and they stayed in his mind. Every evening, when the others left, Noah remained behind, looking at his unfinished work, his mistakes, his slow progress. And sometimes he questioned himself. Maybe they are right. Maybe I am not good enough. But even with those thoughts, he did not stop. The next morning, he came back again. One day, an old man who worked in the workshop noticed Noah. He saw something others did not see. While others rushed, Noah was careful. While others focused on finishing quickly, Noah focused on understanding. While others avoided mistakes, Noah learned from them. The old man walked up to him and said, "Why do you look so troubled?" Noah sighed. "They laugh at me because I am slow." The old man smiled gently. Then he said something Noah would never forget. Fast workers finish quickly, but patient workers build things that last. Noah stayed silent. Those words stayed in his heart. From that day on, he stopped comparing himself. He stopped listening to the laughter. He stopped rushing. And instead, he focused. Day after day, he worked slowly, carefully, patiently. While others hurried, he practiced. While others finished and left, he stayed and improved. Time passed. Days turned into weeks. Weeks turned into months. And slowly, something began to change. Noah's hands became steady. His work became cleaner. His mistakes became fewer. His understanding became deeper. The same people who once laughed at him were now starting to notice. But still, Noah said nothing. He just kept working. Years passed. Some of the fast workers left the workshop. Some gave up. Some never improved. But Noah stayed. And one day, something happened. A man came into the workshop looking for the best craftsman. He wanted something strong, something perfect, something lasting. The others stepped forward quickly. "I can do it," they said. But the old man pointed quietly to Noah. "Give it to him," he said. The room became silent. The same people who once laughed were now watching. Noah took the work, slowly, carefully, patiently. Days passed. He did not rush. He did not speak. He just worked. And when he finished,
everyone stood still, because what he created was not just good. It was perfect, strong, beautiful, precise. The same people who once laughed at him were now looking at him with respect. And at that moment, Noah understood something. Life is not a race. Some people grow fast. Some people grow slow. But slow growth, with strong roots, lasts longer. If you feel like you are moving slowly in life, remember this. You are not behind. You are building something that will last. If this story inspired you, please like and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe for more stories like this. I will see you again soon. Until then, be patient, be thankful, and keep moving forward.